While we're going through a historically volatile time period geopolitically with the Russia-Ukraine tension, we're going to focus our attention this week on weather conditions in Brazil and Argentina, and also highlight the highest price ever for December corn futures in late February. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We moved into the last few days of February here, and I want to take a moment to highlight some historic geopolitical events that are taking place. Obviously, the tensions between Ukraine and Russia seem to be rising at the moment. As we tape here on Tuesday, markets are going through an historical, volatile time period. This is a critically important time period to maintain discipline in the market and work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement and avoid price prediction. Again, avoid price prediction and maintain a close working relationship with your trusted risk management advisor. Let's get right to it now and talk about weather conditions in Brazil. We're going to focus this week on where that double crop or safrinha corn is planted in Brazil. Now, the majority of the second season or safrinha corn in Brazil is planted in that northern region, but there is some also in those southern states of Mato Grosso do Sul and Paraná. Let's look at the short-term weather trends for that second season corn in Brazil. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're going to start out looking at the topsoil proxy, if you will, moisture the last 14 days across that region. Notice up in Mato Grosso, very normal conditions, not too wet and not too dry. And as we'll see in a moment, that's really promoted a rapid planting pace this year. As we move south, it's a little bit drier. Now we're going to look at that last 30 days here. The last 30 days is more of a proxy for subsoil moisture. Again, look at that northern area of Mato Grosso, the #1 producing state of double crop corn in Brazil. Not too wet and not too dry. As we move further south, however, it has been a bit drier. Now let's look at the forecast for the next 14 days. The next 14 days, we're looking at, again, no extremes across northern Brazil and a bit wetter across southern Brazil. Here's the key message, however. We're looking at a planting pace here at 53% nationwide in terms of the safrinha corn. Last year at this time was only 24%. So this crop is off to a much quicker start than a year ago, when eventually the dry season kicked in early last year and contributed to a very poor safrinha crop. Let's switch gears now and focus on Argentina corn. Let's look at where that corn is produced in Argentina. Now we're looking at three key provinces here in Argentina, Córdoba, Buenos Aires, and Santa Fe, accounting for nearly 70% of that corn production in Argentina. Let's now look at the short-term weather trends for Argentina. Now we're looking here at a little bit different pattern compared to Brazil. Notice across Argentina it's been drier the last 2 weeks. Topsoil moisture has been drying out. However, there's relief on the way when we look ahead now to the forecast for Wednesday night and Thursday. Notice some timely precip for that pollinating corn down there, stabilizing those crop conditions. Also extending into Saturday, Monday, maybe a little bit north of some of those areas, but some of those areas will benefit from rainfall. Let's capsulize the next 2 weeks, looking at near normal precip again over the next 2 weeks here as we enter March over those key growing areas of Argentina. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. Now we've moved into new territory here for December corn futures. Near $6.05 a bushel is the highest price ever for late February. So I really want to underscore the importance of working closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage this historic price volatility. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.